we today? What I have here is a roux going. I added some butter, olive oil, diced garlic, and onions. That's what I have going here. Here I have sea salt and boiling water going, and a little bit of oil, which I'm gonna add my pasta to. And then I have here rotisserie chicken that I just purchased. I just took it apart. I'm gonna add this much flour to make my roux. I don't want it really thick. I also added, I forgot to mention, I also added to it, I added some lemon zest. So now all I'm gonna do is this, make my roux. So I'm gonna throw my pasta in right now, my boiling water, because this is gonna be rather quickly, done rather quickly, so it doesn't take a whole lot. So let's do this. I'm sorry for the background noise, that is the vent. I'm also going to add to it a pack of Italian seasoning just to give it some extra flavor. And I'm also going to add some of my favorite Trader Joe's Mushroom and Company blend seasoning. So good. I love this stuff. You can add really whatever you want to it. It's up to you. Take a fork, break these up. Shouldn't take long. This is just a very simple meal. Honestly, it's not a whole lot of fuss. I'm gonna add my chicken so it can start getting some flavor. Like so. As you can see, I'm very liberal adding this. I love this stuff. Now I'm gonna add my Italian seasoning. Looks like as I stir it up, I'm just waiting for my pasta, and then I'll add my pasta and I'll squeeze this lemon into it. This is what the packaging for the pasta looks like. I got it at, I think it was Home Goods. No, it was Home Goods. So just to give you an idea, you can use any pasta you so decide. This pasta cooks pretty fast, so I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop it into my pan. I don't care if I get water in it or not, it's all right. I do want a little bit of water. At this stage, you can add some white wine if you like. It's not necessary because we're adding the lemon, but it's totally up to you. I went ahead and added a little bit of water where I boiled my pasta, and now I'm just letting it get a little bit thick. Because remember, we added the heaping tablespoon of flour. And voila, here you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.